Alright guys, so how do you square up your router table fence to your router table? This is a precision router table fence, and this is a precision router table by Kreg. Both of them are by Kreg. They developed this thing to perfectly square every time. Okay, alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take two combination squares. I'm going to do this video because sometimes I think it's easier to just watch a video of somebody doing this than to read the instructions in the instruction manual and do it yourself. So what I did, I lined up these two combination squares. Both of them are set on 6 inches. You can do 6 inches, you can do 8 inches, whatever you feel comfortable with. And what I've done is I've lined them up on this little groove right here between the router table and the T-slot. So it seems to, hold on there pretty good. I'm gonna have to keep a little tension on it, make sure it don't move off of there. But anyway, both of them are set to 6 inches. That means my router table is currently square, correct? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock this down in place. Okay, now I'll make sure that both of these are still good. Both of them haven't moved any or anything, so we're set on 6 inches still. I'm gonna take my socket wrench. I'm gonna tighten these hex head bolts down right here, and you don't want to over tighten these. I think I'm going the wrong way. Go ahead, everything's separated. Just tighten them. Don't over tighten them. And keep in mind, guys, you want to make sure that your combination squares don't move any. Both look good so far. So we're going to go ahead and tighten these plastic screws down just a little bit. They just need to be snug, just enough for you to snug it up. It's a good idea to just snug them down and then tighten them back just a little bit so it's loose. All right, now take our combination squares away. This table is squared up. The fence rather is squared up. I can move all these tools, put them over here off to the side. Okay, now when we move this back and forth, if we can, I might have to unjust those little plastic screws just a tad more. All right, tighter they are, the more square this thing's going to be. Okay, just a little more. Oh. Okay. See this right here? You got to make sure that that's loosened, obviously. Right, now we can move this thing. Maybe. Maybe not. There, I just felt a giveaway there. Okay, now you can slide this thing back and forth. It stays nice and square. Move all the junk out of your way so you can move things. See that? Stays nice and square. So she's set to square now. So that's how you square up your precision router table fence with your precision router table by Kreg.